Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about is cropping pattern of India, like yesterday we had discussed. So we are going to talk about some specific issues which are related to the crop pattern. One by one we will introspect the conditions of region wise. So the first thing what I bought for you is rice and wheat. So rice and wheat, we are going to focus on UP, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. So what are the issues? Let's see on these states. Okay, so if you see over the years, let me write down here. Over the years, there is stagnation in the production and productivity losses. Okay, so there's a stagnation. So what do you mean by stagnation is stopped? And this production and productivity possible reasons. So let us see the main reasons. The first main reason is there is over mining. So there is mining industry which is affecting of nutrients from the soil. The second one is water. Yes, water is very important. So declining ground water table. Yes, increase of pest attacks. So increase pest attacks and diseases. Okay, inappropriate fertilizers, inappropriate use of fertilizers. Yes, and moreover, let me write down here, we have space. So shortages of labor. So shortages of labor. So that is also a very major. So 5 points are there because of this, rice and wheat production has reduced, and these are the issues. Okay, now let's come to the next one. As we focused already on the rice and wheat, the next thing we will talk about only rice. Yes, so just let me rub this. So these are the top issues. This way you will understand the cropping pattern and what is the problem which India is right now facing. Okay, so now I will come to only rice. Now how is rice irrigated? So let me tell, it is irrigated in the coastal regions. So irrigated in an humid coastal systems of Orissa, Tamil Nadu, okay, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay, so what is the reason for this? Major issues in this is first and foremost is deterioration of soil. Same thing like the previous one. So deterioration in soil, that is the physical conditions. The second one is micronutrient deficiency. Okay, then poor efficiency of nitrogen use. So there is an imbalance. So imbalance in use of nutrients. Okay, so there is a non-availability of to mitigate the labor shortage. So there's a labor shortage, also a period of transplanting. So when there is a transplantation going on, there is a period of labor shortage also. So that is also very important. So let me write down here, labor shortage. Okay, and so these are some basic physical conditions. Let us talk about some major conditions also. Okay, so that is, as I said, also is like, so now we will talk about the next plant, or next crop, that is rice and groundnut. Okay, so let us now write about rice and groundnut. Okay, so rice and groundnut. Okay, so basically it is grown in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, so I'm writing a short form here. Okay, Karnataka, Orissa, which is Odisha now, and Maharashtra. So what are the major issues here? First of all, so let us write down here the major issues.